Hi, Elaine here with WTI. If you're like me and you want to be proactive about your health, you will love these capsules from Capsule Express. I like to make my own immunity boosters with essential oils. This capsule is 00 and it really has just the right amount of space that I need for the drops of essential oil and the carrier oil that I use. And I really like the fact that they're secure. You have a little click and it seals it, and you don't have to worry about any leaks. I do love the fact that they are plant based because if you're going to take care of your health, you want to do it in a very eco friendly way. And I also like that it's affordable. When you want to take care of your health, you don't want to spend an arm and a leg. These capsules were just what I need in helping me with my immunity system. I know you'll love them. I love them. My family loves them. And that's just our point of view.